Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Uthi, Amatshe, it's that whole thing, yokuthi umuntu akuthembise umshado. For a long time, they promising to marry you. Umuntu phela 10 years, 10 years, awuyilethi inkomo. I'm just like, when are the cattle gonna come? Uzoshada nini? Kanti Amatshe. Yeah, so basically when are you promising me Amatshe? It's a nice beat, nice song, but I feel they drive are the same, but dance are the same, and her sister Ukeli, Khumalo, they look the same, but all are the same. Yeah, so just saying, but she was now esikhuluma songela, I mean editing ku social media sibhizi naye and then realize but so please tell us. That's all we want to know. We don't care about anything else. So Jabulela for Lako and all of that. And she's like, I can't wait to go back to court. I'm like, I can't wait as well. Please, come back. I just feel good. Guys, they know who killed said these people. But every day it's like, hi, baby, bakla whatever the babe valila mehlo manje sengiyabazi suyabakhombe because I mean really sisi, you can't contradict yourself every time you come back to court. Still at this time other than that, this was not about Usenzo Slinde when kuzositshela ukuthi uSenzo bulewe yini, but siyakubongela for ukuthi i-album yakho, it looks like it's gonna do well. It's a nice song, I must say. Thank you.